Hello friends, this is Vijay Durga and this is my channel on MA English Notes. Today we are going to see the summary of Muktadara, and while we are writing the summary we should divide it into various subtopics to score better. So here we begin. Muktadara. Introduction. Rabindranath Tagore is one of the most well-known writers in the field of Indian writing in English. Tagore, who is a versatile genius, was born on 6th May 1861. He was not only a poet, but also an artist, a painter, an actor, and a producer of plays. He has won the hearts of people not only in India but also in the West. Rameshwar Gupta says he even succeeded in catching the ears of English readers by creating a unique kind of rhythm in the poetic prose Gitanjali and in other poetical works. Character sketches of Muktadara. Ranajit, king of Uttarakud and overlord of Shivtrai. Abhijit, the Yuvaraja crown prince. He is not a son of the king but a foundling child, adopted by the king as his son. Sanjaya Rajkumar or Junior Prince Vibhuti, the royal engineer, the man who constructed the dam across Muktadara. Vishwajit, uncle of Ranajit and king of Mohangarh. He is also a friend and admirer of Abhijit. Dhananjaya, Asachik, the spiritual leader of the people of Shivtarai. He asked them to resist evil by non-violence. Summary of the play. The construction of the dam, the flowing of the river current, and Abhijit's attempt to break the dam and free the river seems to be the major actions of the play. The conflict between the man and the machine. The dramatic conflict arises out of the conflict between man and the machine. Because of man's desire for power, fame, and wealth, he loses his human values and becomes dehumanized. Abhijit appears before the audience as soft, sympathetic, and kind hearted young man. King Ranajit, Vibhuti, the engineer who constructs the dam, are portrayed as abominable. The political conflict. Tagore, who was interested in politics and society, depicts the curious political situation in the play. The delineation of the political struggle between the people of Uttarakud and Shivtara is clearly portrayed in the play. King Ranajit wants to show his power on his people and wants to construct the dam to prevent the flow of river Muktadara by constructing a dam. So he orders the royal engineer Vibhuti to build a dam against the river and block the flow of the river from reaching the plains of Shivatarai. The spiritual affinity of man and nature. The major action of the play reveals the spiritual affinity between man and the nature. Abhijit, the crown prince, develops an unconditional spiritual affinity towards Muktadara after knowing that he was a foundling and was found as an orphan by King Ranajit at the banks of the river. He considers the river as his nurse and wants to set her free. This is evident from his words: I must pay my debt, the debt of my birth. Muktadara was my nurse, I must set her free. Theme of the play. Tagore introduced realism in Bengali drama by taking the contemporary themes and portraying human nature. In Muktadara, Tagore presents two powerful themes, a broader outer theme and a subtle inner theme. The outer theme deals with the political conflict of constructing a dam, blocking the flow of river, and the inner theme deals with the spiritual problem. The outer theme creates the dramatical conflict between man and the machine. The inner theme shows the affinity between Abhijit, the crown prince, the supposed hero of the play, and the river Muktadara, which he considers as his nurse. Symbols and metaphors. The voice of the play is enriched with the sweet songs sung by the citizens. It enhances the stage play. The people of Uttarakhand praise the machine and worship it like a god. Ranjit says the machine looks like a demon as it is built too high. He says even the sun looks at it with anger. He sees the machine as the agent of destruction as it is going to prevent the river from flowing to the plains of Shivatarai. The people of Shivatarai claim that they are created from the drops of the nectar that tickled and fell on earth from God's cups, and people of Uttarakhand are created from the discarded cups licked by demons and thrown into the gutters. Thus, they affirm that they are superior in morale to the people of Uttarakhand. Abhijit says, I must pay my debt, the debt of my birth. Muktadara was my nurse, I must set her free. Tagore compares river to Abhijit's mother as Abhijit accepts river Muktadara as his mother once he becomes to know that he was found on the banks of the river. He considers himself as a debtor whose duty is to set his mother free of any danger. The act of freeing the river and let her freely is considered as repaying the debt. Other works by the writer. Rabindranath Tagore felt convinced of the ideas set forth in ancient classics of India. Taking a particular event from the traditional epic Mahabharata, he created a new play in Chitra. He had great love for Upanishads and the teachings of the Buddha, and some of his plays have the perspectives of Buddhism. His plays Natir Puja and Chandralika are based on the ideals of Buddhism. Though he embraced Buddhism, he was against the idea of total renunciation of life. In Chandalika, the Chandal girl wants to drag Ananda, Buddha Bhikshu, to the worldly life. Though Ananda gets tempted, he is relieved from danger by the power of Lord Buddha. Conclusion. Among the three important theatrical elements, scene, voice, and action, Tagore has successfully brought action and voice on the stage. Critics have commented that Tagore couldn't successfully portray the scene of the machine constructing the dam and the last scene where Abhijit gets carried away with the river. The contrast of the play is interestingly described, where Ranjit and Vibhuti want to stop the river from flowing into Shivtarai, and Abhijit wants to free the river and sacrifices his life for the same with mental satisfaction. Thank you for listening, friends. Smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for further summaries. Thank you.